Today I hurt you. Today I let you down. It was supposed to be your day. But boo, I didn't mean to let you down. I let you down. I let your family down. And I let myself down. Because today was supposed to be our day. And it wasn't even like that. And I know that you're hurt. I can understand the hurt. I can understand the confusion. But baby, I love you. Always remember that. But roses are red, violets are blue. I love you and you love me too. I didn't just hurt me. I didn't just let me down. I let you down too. But I never meant to let you down. I never meant to hurt you. I never meant to let things get out of hand. But baby boy, don't worry, 'cause it's me and you for life. Alright, I'm out. Happy birthday, boo. It's your day.